Today I wanted to do a quick about 100-hour review on the Kubota BX23S. So on this one right here we've got 107 hours now, and overall it's been a pretty good little landscape tractor, but it's about all it's good for. You know, you can move buckets of gravel around and dirt and stuff like that, but it can kind of struggle with the heavier materials. It's definitely a bit small of a tractor, but I would say its biggest useful area would be with stuff like mulch and just lighter materials. Haven't really had any major problems out of it. The only problems have been, I guess, user error or user breakage, really. This headlight here had a stick go through it, and it hit this and bent it a little bit, but we got a new headlight assembly, which is pretty easy to replace. It's this whole piece here, and that was $150. And then this reflector or blinker cover came off at some point, so that's like a $10 part, but it was back ordered for quite a while. Now, something I wish I had known about the backhoe is these are incredibly slow, and that may just be because I have a Mini X now and I just can't stand to go at that slow of a pace, but I feel like one scoop with the 3.5 ton excavator takes about 30 minutes with this machine. So that really adds up when you're digging trenches and stuff. Now, if you're in the dump trailer business at all, or have one, just know that if you have one with 4-foot walls, it's not gonna lift into it unless you have a platform to go on or something like that. If you're using it on a yard to scoop gravel in or something like that, then you could, I'll drive up on this hill back here and then back the trailer up, and that way you can reach in. But I used to have a 2-foot wall trailer, which we got rid of, and that trailer you can lift into. Overall, I would say the BX23S is a good landscape tractor. I wouldn't use it for any kind of grading or major dirt work. You can, but if you're doing work for others, you're going to be way more efficient with either a backhoe or a skid steer and a Mini X, depending on your setup and if you have another person to run a second machine or not. So this tractor is a good fit for somebody that has a farm or maybe a big garden. You can get a lot of different attachments. You could get a grapple to clean up debris. They make tillers. So if I had to do it over again, I would probably still buy this, but get one size up. So it would have a lot more good use cases where I wouldn't have to bring out a skid steer or a mini excavator. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.